Here are two pieces of your favorite sculptable composite. Let's try to spread the piece on the left. It pulls, it crumbles, it sticks and pulls away. This is frustration in the making. It's ugly. Now let's add just a dab of Vista Apex's Seamfree Composite Wetting Resin and work on the piece on the right side. See how it spreads evenly? Unlike using alcohol or adhesive on the instrument, both of which contain solvent and can alter the physical properties of your composite, Seamfree is solvent-free, just resin. Seamfree has no fillers, so you aren't adding a layer between the layers of composite, which can lead to the white line seams being seen as you polish. Nothing's more frustrating. Seamfree has no photo initiators, so your working time is not affected, so you can take your time and shape and sculpt away. Seamfree helps you create better margins and less voids by reducing the stickiness that can lead to pullback of the composite. And this all means a huge time savings when you can contour to the ideal instead of over contouring and having to develop the correct contours post-cure. Seamfree from Vista Apex. Give it a try.